Almonds are one of the healthiest snacks you can eat. They are packed with essential nutrients, healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Not only are they incredibly delicious, but they have a wide range of health benefits that make them a true superfood. In this video, we're going to explore the many ways almonds can improve your health, from brain health to weight loss and more. Brain health. Almonds contain high levels of vitamin E, an antioxidant that can protect your brain cells from oxidative damage. Studies have shown that vitamin E can help prevent cognitive decline and may even lower your risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Heart health. Almonds are a great source of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, both of which are good for your heart. These healthy fats can help lower your LDL cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease. Blood sugar control. Almonds are a low glycemic index food, meaning they have a minimal impact on your blood sugar levels. Eating almonds can help regulate your blood sugar levels and reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Weight loss. Almonds are a great snack for people trying to lose weight. They are high in protein and fiber, both of which can help you feel full and satisfied. Studies have shown that people who eat almonds as a snack tend to eat fewer calories throughout the day. Bone health. Almonds are a great source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which are important for bone health. Eating almonds regularly can help prevent bone loss and reduce your risk of developing osteoporosis. Skin health. Almonds contain high levels of vitamin E and antioxidants, both of which can help improve your skin's health and appearance. Eating almonds can also help protect your skin from sun damage and aging. Digestive health. Almonds are high in fiber, which is essential for digestive health. Eating almonds regularly can help regulate your bowel movements and prevent constipation. Energy boost. Almonds are a great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, all of which can provide you with a sustained energy boost throughout the day. Eating almonds as a snack can help you stay alert and focused, without the crash that comes from sugary snacks. In conclusion, almonds are a true superfood that can improve your health in countless ways. Whether you're looking to boost your brain health, lose weight, or improve your digestive health, almonds are a great choice. So next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for a handful of almonds and enjoy the many health benefits they have to offer.